and having fun with the English Ambassadors crew. My name is Mrs. Happiness, and our class for today will be concluding with the three other uses of the tone we started with. Don't forget, we started with the rising tone, falling tone, and for today we'll be looking at the rise fourth tone, the fall rise tone, and the level tone. Now, for the rise fourth tone, the rise fourth tone, and the fall rise tone, and they are like words and opposites. They are like words and opposites because you use the rise fourth tone to answer questions that you're sure of, while you use the fall rise tone to answer questions that you're not sure of. Why for the level tone? The level tone they are referred to as singing words. Singing words. And that's why I say that in your day-to-day activity, you make use of these five tones we have in English language. Can you recall them again? The first one we said is what? The rising tone. The second one, the falling tone. The third one, the rise fourth tone. The fourth tone, the fall rise tone, and the fifth one, the level. Now, these five tones that we just made mention of in English language, all the words you have in English language fall under this five tones. I'm quickly going to take just two words from that. The first one is the word yes. How do you spell? Y-E-S. Yes. Now, under the rising tone, the word yes is yes, yes. While for the falling tone, don't forget these are what? Commando words, the sharp words. So it's no more yes, it's now what? Yes, yes. Why? Under the rise fourth tone, it becomes yes, yes. Under the fall rise tone is yes, yes. Why for the level tone is yes, yes. Like I said, they are singing words. Take another one. Well, well. W-E-L-L. Well. And the word well under the rising tone is well, well. Under the falling tone is well, well. The rise fourth tone is where, where. The fall rise tone is where, where. And the level tone is well, well. So all the words we have in English language falls under these five tones. And each of them that you make use of in your day-to-day activity must belong to a particular tone, because that's what actually conveys to the person you're communicating with that you're using this particular tone in English language. And don't forget, like I said earlier on, there are two rules you need to apply when it comes to the English language: our pronunciation and our stress pattern. So when you're able to pronounce the words correctly and your stress pattern, then your intonation will come out. So when you pronounce a word, make sure you're using either of the tones we have in English language. Don't forget, it's the English Ambassadors Television. Always remember to subscribe, like our videos so that you'll be among the first set who will do what? Will enjoy learning from our videos once we upload them. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time.